happy people, I'm back with a 1-week update on how my press-on toenails are holding up. I did get a couple of requests wanting to see how the toenails are holding up. Just a wear test update. So this is exactly 1 week after I applied my press-on toenails. If you all missed the application video, I am going to leave it linked down in the description box below, but absolutely none of the press-on nails have popped off. I did apply them with nail glue that was included in the BTArtBox press-on nail kit. And yeah, so far so good. They're holding up really nicely. No complaints at all. I haven't had, none of them are lifting, none of them are loose, none of them feel like they're going to pop off. Like, everything looks great, so they're holding up well. And I will be back with a week 2 update. I am going to go ahead and show you guys my other foot as well, just so that you can see that none of the press-on toenails have popped off. It honestly looks like I just did the set still. Like, there's no actual new growth. My toenails grow really slow, so I won't even actually see any new growth until about 3 to 4 weeks later. So we'll see how long I actually end up keeping these press-on toenails on, but so far so good. No lifting and none have popped off. Okay. And this here is how my right foot is looking. And again, none of the toenails have popped off. Everything is holding up nicely. No real new growth or anything like that. So yeah, so far so good. And I'm liking the method. I'll be back in 2 weeks. Okay, I'm back with a 2-week update. And this is how the toes are holding up. Oops. And this is how the toes are holding up. So far so good. None of the toenails have popped off. Again, my toenails grow really small, so there's barely any new growth that you can notice, but I did apply these using the BTArtBox nail glue that was included in the press-on nail kit, and I must say they're holding up beautifully. I'm really enjoying this set a lot. When I first did it, I wasn't like super excited about it because I've never done nude nails on my toes before, but it's the summertime, y'all, and when I go outside with these on with some sandals and the way that the light hits it with this cat eye, I fell in love with my press-on toenails even more. And I have been getting lots of compliments on my toes as well, so that's always good and always feels nice. So yeah, big thumbs up so far to these toenails. They, like I said, none of them have popped off. They're holding on strong. They're holding on good. Barely any new growth at this point. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how my right foot looks, but this is the left foot and I haven't had any issues. Alright, and then this is how my right foot is looking. And again, so far so good. I haven't had any pop-offs. I haven't had any issues. None of the toenails are loose or anything like that. So again, loving the method, loving the longevity so far. So I know for sure you can at least get 2 weeks of wear out of these BTArtBox press-on toenails. And like I said, I'll be back with another update. I don't plan on taking these off for a little while because I just don't have time to do my toes again. But yeah, man, that nail glue works really good. I honestly didn't think they would last this long, but I'm impressed. So far so good. Okay, happy people, I'm back with a 3-week update, and this is how the toes are holding up so far. I will say that they're still holding up really good. I did have one nail pop off, I would say, a couple days ago, and yeah, outside of that, all the rest of the nails are still intact. They're still on. So the last few days I haven't been able to wear sandals because I've not been wanting to show that this nail popped off. But I am going to show you my right foot. This is how the right foot is looking, and this one's been holding on just fine. None of the nails have popped off, as you can see. They're on, and they're still going strong. So 3 weeks of wear, you get one nail pop off. That's not bad at all. You can even see that some new growth is starting to happen here. So they still overall, in the grand scheme of things, look really great for 3 weeks old. So I am going to go ahead and just pop this toenail back on because I'm not ready to take the set off just yet. So I'm going to just show you guys how I pop this toenail back on really quick. Where'd my toenail go? Here's my toenail here. So like I said, it popped off. I'm gonna just pop it right back on. Okay, so I did already etch the inside of the press-on nail. I'm gonna go ahead and buff up the surface of my toenail. Like so. And next I'm going to take some alcohol and just dehydrate that nail bed really quick. And what I am going to do is on the press-on toenail, I'm going to put just a little dot of glue inside of it while this nail is drying off, we'll just put a dot of glue right here. Really small. I really don't need that, but I'm going to do it just to ensure that the nail doesn't pop off again. And so now I'm going to go in on here and just apply some glue to the entire toenail. And I'm going to take this nail and just pop it right on. It's kind of hard to do. It's kind of hard to do without the little tabs. But I'm going to just flip it over like so. Okay, that worked. And then I'm going to slightly tuck it. And I'm going to just press, 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 press. Till I can't press no more. Oh no. Shoot. Let's try that again. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What just happened, y'all? I'm going to flip that over and press down. Oh, what just happened here? Wow. Okay, well, let's see if I can salvage this. Okay. Looks like the toenail is on, but I accidentally got the glue on top of it. That was weird. So because that happened, the only thing you'll need to do is go in with some top coat on the nail. So yeah, that made the surface of the nail look all weird. So I'm just going with some top coat really quick. I'm gonna go in with my BTArtBox top coat. I'm just apply that to the whole nail. There you go. And then I'm gonna just cure that for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so this is what that toenail is looking like applied. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of cuticle oil to make it look all nice and new. Yeah, I'll be back with a 4-week update and let you guys know how it's been holding up after a month of wear. Okay, happy people, I'm back with I believe this is like a 6 or 7 week update. I can't even remember at this point. I skipped a few weeks with my update video, but I just wanted to show you guys my final update before I pop these toenails off. On this foot, really only one toenail popped off, and this was this one, and you guys saw me when I put it back on. Yesterday, I was moving a bed, and I actually like hit this toe on the frame of the bed, and this toenail popped off. I think if I had to hit my toenail, it wouldn't have had any issues and it wouldn't have popped off. And I felt it when it popped off too, because I hit it pretty hard. So I did super glue that back on just because I had somewhere to go. But overall, I think that the BTArtBox press-on toenails last a really long time. Like I said, this is like 6-7 weeks later, and these nails still look good. So, and you can also see new growth is starting to happen here at the cuticle for all of the press-on. Sorry, my camera went out. But yeah, so you can see new growth. But yeah, you can see new growth on all of the press-on toenails. So I will say that the BTArtBox press-on toenails in general lasted a great amount of time. Like I said, this is 6-7 weeks of wear. And yeah, like I said, my toenails they end up growing a lot slower than my fingernails, but this was definitely well worth it. I mean, you get 1+ month of wear. If you wanted to, you can wear them even longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I guess if I really wanted to, I could like clip the toenails down in case, you know, you feel like they're getting too long or such. But yeah, it turned out really great. But since they're getting too long and I'm ready to switch it out, I'm about to take these off, and I'm gonna show you guys my my right foot. So on this toe over here, okay, so on this foot over here, 2 toenails did pop off. This one popped off about a week ago, and I was just too lazy. I didn't feel like putting it back on. And this one literally just popped off yesterday. So that's what's making me feel like, okay, it's time to go ahead and pop these toenails off. So I am going to go ahead and remove them. But like I said, I just wanted to give you all a quick update what the toes look like. Stay tuned to my next video, and and I'll show you guys how I end up removing these toenails. I'm going to just use some nail debonder to get them off. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the updates. And like I said, stay tuned to my next video and I'll show you guys how to properly remove these toenails. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.